Hello everyone, my name is Amol More and you are watching doubt solving series on our channel Solution to Black Book. Now, the question is asked by one of our fellow learners. The question is fx is equal to 2 gif of x plus cos x. Okay, now how to deal with such questions? Such questions should be dealt with by taking piecewise functions. Then it becomes very easy. That is the first thing. GIF should always be done piecewise. Okay, that is first note. Second note is we need to check whether it is one to one or many to one. Now for doing that you should always check the derivative. If for a particular piece or for a particular domain, if the derivative is always positive, then the function will always be increasing. An increasing function is always one to one. And if the derivative is negative, then the function will be negative. Function will be decreasing. If the derivative is negative, it means what? It will always be one to one function. That is the second point. So the first point is GIF piecewise should be split. Second point is for checking onto and into, check the derivative. If your derivative is always positive for a particular domain, then it is increasing. Is always negative for a particular domain, then it is decreasing. Then it can be told as one to one function. Okay. Then the third thing which you need to know is to check the range. Check the range of the function. If the range of your function is equal to the codomain, then you can say that the function is onto. When you can say it is onto? When the range is equal to codomain. If the range is lesser than codomain, then the function is into. Very well. So you have understood these three important parts of this question. Now solving this question is a lot fun. Let us see how is it. So first of all, I will split this function from, let me say, -2 to -1, -1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, and 2 to 3, because it is a piecewise function. So at integers it should be split from -2 to -1, -1 to 0, and so on. In the interval -2 to -1, this GIF of x will be equal to -2. So this will be -4 plus cos x. -1 to 0 range has the GIF x -1. So this will be -2 plus cos x. And from 0 to 1, GIF x will be 0. So it will be 0 plus cos x. And from 1 to 2, GIF x will be 1. So it will be 2 plus cos x. And from 2 to 3, the GIF will be 2. So it will be 4 plus cos x. You can also extend this for the other parts like 3 to 4, -3 to -2, and so on. But for the time being, I am taking these 5 parts of the function. Okay, so the first part is done when we have split the function piecewise. Now, let us first check whether it is always an increasing function in a particular domain or a decreasing function in a particular domain. So over here I am writing f dash x is equal to, so everywhere you can say minus sin x. The function is minus sin x everywhere. Now tell me how to check whether it is increasing or decreasing. So let me do this particular bit. Let us add a page. So f dash x will be equal to minus sin x. From -2 to -1, it will be minus sin x. From -1 to 0, it will be minus sin x. From 0 to 1, and it will be minus sin x from 1 to 2. Okay, now sin x is always greater than or equal to 0 if x belongs to 0 to pi. 0 to pi. What does it mean? It means 0 to 3.14. That's correct. If sin x is less than 0, if x belongs to x belongs to, you can say, pi to 2 pi. That's what you can say. What does it mean? It means that x belongs to 3.14 to 6.28. Okay, let us check for 0 to 1. For 0 to 1, it is definitely lying between 0 to 3.14. Therefore, sin x will be positive, so minus sin x will be negative. So the function is decreasing in this particular domain. Very good. From 1 to 2 also the function will be having sin x greater than 0, so minus sin x will be negative. Okay, let us move ahead. Minus sin x from 2 to 3. Even from 2 to 3, sin x will be positive, hence minus sin x will be negative, hence it will be negative, so the function will be decreasing from 2 to 3. Now the very interesting part, from 3 to 4, again the derivative will be minus sin x, but from 3 to 4, the function is positive from 3 to 3.14. Sin x is positive from 3 to 3.14. So from 3 to 3.14, minus sin x will be negative, and from 3.14 to 4, sin x will be negative, hence minus sin x will be positive. It means in this particular part of the domain 3 to 4, the derivative is less than 0 also and greater than 0 also. It means the function will be increasing also and decreasing also for particular parts. In short, if I am to tell you, if I draw this function from 3 to 4, how will it look like? So let us see. From 3 to 3.14, sin x is positive, so minus sin x will be negative, so it is decreasing. So let me draw the graph. Over here I have pi, so 3 to 3.14 it will be decreasing, and from 3.14 to 4, sin x is negative, so minus sin x will be positive. So we can say from 3.14, that is pi, to 4 it will be increasing. You can see that from, for a brief span of 3 to pi it is decreasing, and for a brief span of pi to 4 it is increasing. So if you draw a line, see, it is cutting the graph at 2 points. So for a value of x, this is the value of y, and for another value of x there is the same value of y. It means for many values of x there is only one x value, right? It means it is a many to one function. I hope you got it. Similarly, you can check for other pieces, and once we get it is increasing also and decreasing also within a particular span, then it has to be a many to one function. There are no two ways about it. So the second part of our question is also done. First part was piecewise splitting. Second part was checking the derivative. So by checking the derivative we came to know that it is a many to one function. Very good. Now the third part is very interesting. So in the third part we need to check the range of the function. If the range of the function is equal to the codomain of the function, then the function will be an onto function. Let us check. As you can see that in this particular part 1 to 2, from 1 to 2, so 2 plus, so from 1 to 2 what is actually happening? From 1 to 2 cos x will always be positive. Let us check that, or negative. So cos 1 is nothing but cos 57.28 degree. 1 radian is 57. Okay, and cos 2 is cos of, what you can say, it is cos of 114.28 degree. As you can see, cos 57 is positive and cos 114 is negative. So this value will increase from 2 and up to 90. Cos 90 is 0, and from 90 it will again start decreasing. So this will be increasing and then decreasing also. So it will cross 2, but can it cross 3? Can 2 plus cos cross 3? So definitely it cannot cross 3, because the maximum value of cos x is 1. So 2 plus 1 will be 3, but it can never cross 3. Why? Because cos of 114.28 can never be equal to 1. So definitely it will be lesser than 3. Okay, now can it be equal to 1, 2 minus, whenever we are subtracting this because this will be negative, cos 2 will be negative, so 2 minus 1 will be equal to 1, but again that value won't be equal to minus 1. So basically what I'm trying to tell is that 2 plus cos x can maximum go up to 3, and 2 behind it can maximum go up to minus 1, which is also not possible. So basically it cannot cross 3, and 4 plus cos x cannot be crossing 3 below and cannot be crossing 5 up. Basically the logic is all the values will never be covered in this particular manner, so the range will never be equal to R. Calculating the range is a bit difficult task over here, but I hope you understand that calculating the range is very difficult over here, but it cannot be equal to all real numbers. Okay, so let me show you why is it so. So let us move towards a graph. So here I have made this graph of 2 GIF of x plus cos of x. So with the help of the graph you will be able to understand this in a better way. See, from 0 to 1 the graph is decreasing, from 1 to 2 again the graph is decreasing, from 2 to 3 again the graph is decreasing, but from 3 to 4, as you can see the graph is decreasing and then the graph is increasing. So let me draw a line. Let us say y is equal to 5.005. As you can see, it is cutting the curve into 2 points. 3.242 is the value of x and the value of y is 5. So in short, what I am trying to tell you that here the range won't be equal to R, and hence it is an into function. So the correct option to this question is option C. It is a many to one and into function. Thank you for watching the video guys, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.